In Google Sheets, you have some other of the G Suite apps that are linked right within your Google Sheets. Let's take a look at those running down the right-hand side. First, you have access to your calendar. If I click on the calendar icon, it'll load my calendar and all the events that I have coming up. Below that, you have Google Keep. You can click on Google Keep and see any of the notes that you have recorded in Google Keep, and you can edit those right here as well. Finally, you have access to your tasks. If you click on tasks, you'll see any that you have available, and you can also add new tasks right now. If you want to get rid of any of these from showing up, simply click the X in the upper right-hand corner. This will not close Google Sheets, it'll just close that right-hand sidebar. If you don't want to see your additional G Suite apps on the right-hand side because maybe you want a little more room on your screen, you can click the arrow at the bottom to hide the side panel. If you don't see your add-ons, you may need to show that side panel by clicking that arrow that's now pointing to the left.